Welcome to Seoul, a city where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. From towering skyscrapers to serene temples, Seoul is a destination that has it all. Join me as we explore the best of South Korea's vibrant capital. First stop, Gyeongbokgung Palace, the crown jewel of Seoul's historic sites. Built in 1395, this stunning palace is a must-see for history lovers. Don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful tradition that takes place daily. Pro tip, rent a hanbok, traditional Korean attire, for free or discounted entry, and the perfect photo op. Next, step back in time at Bukchon Hanok village. This charming neighborhood is filled with traditional Korean houses called Hanoks. Wander through the narrow alleyways, visit a tea house, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. For the best views of Seoul, head to Seoul Tower on Namsan Mountain. Take the cable car or hike up, then enjoy 360-degree views of the city. Don't forget to leave a love lock at the famous fence. Shopaholics, this one's for you. Myeongdong is Seoul's premier shopping district, packed with trendy boutiques, K-beauty stores, and street food stalls. Try hotteok, sweet pancakes, or tereyakboki, spicy rice cakes while you shop. Insadong is the heart of Korean culture. Stroll through this lively street to find traditional tea houses, handmade crafts, and unique souvenirs. It's the perfect place to pick up a piece of Korea to take home. Architecture and design lovers, don't miss Dongdaemun Design Plaza. This futuristic building, designed by Zaha Hadid, hosts exhibitions, fashion shows, and a stunning LED rose garden. At night, the area comes alive with bustling markets. Seoul is a foodie's paradise. From sizzling Korean BBQ to bibimbap and kimchi, the flavors here are unforgettable. Head to Gwangjang Market for authentic street food or try a traditional Korean feast in a local restaurant. Get a bird's-eye view of Seoul from the Lot World Tower, the tallest building in Korea. The sky deck on the 123rd floor offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset. It's a must for thrill seekers and photographers alike. Need a break from the city buzz? Head to Han River Park, rent a bike, have a picnic, or just relax by the water. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike. K-pop and K-drama fans, Seoul is your playground. Visit themed cafes, explore filming locations, or even catch a live music show. Don't miss the SM Town Museum for a deep dive into K-pop history. Seoul is a city of endless surprises, where ancient palaces stand beside futuristic skyscrapers and every street tells a story. Which of these attractions are you adding to your itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. See you next time.